Hello buddies, welcome to English Quiz Buddy, listening practice. Conversation 1.
Hey, are you going to the grocery store today?
Yeah, I am. Do you need anything?
Could you grab some bread and milk for me?
Sure, no problem. Anything else?
Actually, if they have any fresh strawberries, that would be great.
Okay, bread, milk, and strawberries. Got it. Do you need anything for dinner tonight?
Maybe some pasta and a jar of sauce. I want to try a new recipe.
Sounds good. I'll text you if I find anything interesting.
Thanks, Sam. You're the best.
Anytime. By the way, did you hear about the new cafe that opened downtown?
Oh yeah. I read that they have amazing desserts. We should check it out sometime.
How about this weekend? We could go after running some errands.
Perfect plan. Let's do it.
Conversation 2.
Hi Mia. How are you?
Hey Liam, I'm fine, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
Did you watch the movie last night?
Yeah, I did. It was amazing.
I know, right? The ending was so unexpected.
Exactly. I didn't see that twist coming at all.
Same here. I thought the main character was going to make it through.
Me too. The suspense was so intense.
We should watch more movies like that. How about next weekend?
I'm in. We could pick another thriller or maybe even a comedy this time.
Good idea. I'll look for some options, and we can choose together.
Perfect. By the way, did you hear about the movie night at the park this Friday?
Oh, that sounds fun. What movie are they showing?
I think it's a classic, probably something like Back to the Future.
Great choice. Let's go. We can bring snacks and make it a picnic.
Absolutely. It's a plan.
Sounds like a fun weekend ahead. Catch you later, Liam.
For sure. Looking forward to it. Take care, Mia.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.